How to see how much data you have left on iPhone. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we will guide you through on how we can see how much data we have left on iPhone. So let's just go ahead and look out on that. First of all, head over to your iPhone and you just need to head over to the main settings of your device. And you're going to look up for the option called cellular here. Just go ahead and tap on it. After tapping on it, you just need to go ahead and tap on or to the cellular data options, and you can just go ahead and look out for this section here. And after going to the cellular data, you'll be finding these settings here. So here we can easily find the current period, and then we can use and find out how much data we have used in this particular time. So in order to look up for that, you may just look up and scroll down a bit until you're able to find the last reset option. So here I have reset my statistics last April, but if you want to reset your statistics and look for your current period data, just go ahead and reset it and again get and refresh your page, and you will be seeing your current period and your data left. So just go ahead and follow this method and you should be able to find your data details in your iPhone following those steps. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.